As AI moves from answering questions to taking action, the real challenge becomes coordination and context. That's where WorkIQ comes in. Hey, it's Willis. Let's break down how WorkIQ works. In an agent-first world, it isn't just about chat. It's about how AI agents reason and operate across your business. WorkIQ is designed for a new model, where AI agents collaborate, take action, and carry work forward. It brings together 4 core components. Chat enables real-time interaction. Context grounds organizational data. Tools help agents take action. And workspaces support longer-running tasks. Together, they create a unified intelligence layer, so agents can reason, retrieve information, and act. WorkIQ isn't a standalone product. It shows up across Copilot experiences: chat, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams. And through APIs, it can extend into custom agents. WorkIQ allows Copilot and AI agents to move beyond simple responses and operate with continuity across your work. As AI becomes more action-oriented, this layer keeps everything connected, consistent, and reliable. See you next time.